Hello, my name is Kurt and I'm the health consultant with DR Vitamin Solutions. Thank you so much for visiting our website today. Today I would like to talk to you about our Vision Clarity Eye Drops. These are very popular and the key ingredient in them is N-acetylcarnosine, and they also have a lubricant. People use them for various health issues with their eyes, but the most popular by far is cataracts. We do not make any medical claims nor guarantees on any specific health issue, but we are very thankful that for over 10 years, people have been able to avoid having cataract surgery because they've used these drops. We suggest using one drop in each eye 4 times a day. It typically takes people on an average about 3 months to see a noticeable difference, and the best results usually take several months. It's also very helpful to get good nutrients that support eye health through diet and supplementation. We would love to talk to you about your eye health concerns or questions about these drops. You can call us toll-free at 888-432-5824, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Again, that's 888-432-5824, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time.